Hey, it's Frank from Frank's DIY and Homeowner Help, and this is what I woke up to this morning. So we're in a bathtub here, and this stopper is supposed to lock in the down position and hold the water in the tub. And as you see, it won't lock in the down position, and there's no way to keep water in the tub. So that's a problem. So let's see if we can fix it. I've already done some research into it, and basically you see this unit has got a little plastic cartridge here, and that is supposed to click and lock. You can hear it clicking, but it's not locking, and that sound means that the mechanism inside is broken. So this needs to be replaced. And a couple ways to do it. You can try and replace just the plug, or you can replace the whole mechanism. So I went to the store and bought this complete drain assembly because there were no plugs available. The plugs that they did have available were steel, and this one's plastic, and they weren't interchangeable. So I'm going to start off by trying just to see if the plug will fit in here and call it a day, and if not, we'll have to remove the whole system. Let's see if we're lucky today. So this was 11 bucks at Canadian Tire, 11 bucks Canadian, maybe $3 US. Maybe not that, but considerably less. So let's see if this, well, might work. Let's see. No, it's not going to fit. So we're going to have to remove this whole assembly here. And the way it should happen, I'll just adjust this camera here for a quick sec. You see, this is steel, so you should be able to just twist this out, and this should come out on a screw thread. And unless I don't think they've puttied it or anything, or maybe there is a bit of putty there. Hard to tell. Oh yeah, there is a bit of putty there. Well, we're going to try and just unscrew it and see if it'll come out. And one thing is, there's not too much of a chance of you breaking it, so I'm just going to try and get some leverage by putting some kind of a device in there. Nope, that's not going to work. How about this? There, that's nice. Okay. Was a little concerned that it wouldn't unscrew. Now, this tub is only about 3 years old. We've only been here about 2.5 years. So, I was hoping that it would come out relatively easily. All right. So that's pretty good. Came out pretty well. Now this is just plumber's putty, and in the new one that I bought, it actually has a washer, right? A rubber ring. What do you call these things? Anyway, that's what's meant to provide the seal. So I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to remove all this, and I will not use any plumber's putty or any similar device, because the whole new system is meant so that you don't have to use this stuff. And this stuff is great, but it does dry up and it has a limited life. So if you can replace it with a washer, I think that's a good thing. Okay, so now the new unit goes in. It should just screw in. It should just screw in. So when you're threading it in here, Just go nice and easy. Make sure you're not threading it, because this is a steel thread on a plastic thread, and that is a recipe for disaster. If it's not going in smoothly and easily, see, I'm using, even though I'm using this tool, it's basically still, you know, finger tightable, right? So we'll go, keep going, keep screwing until we get a bit of compression. And you can hear it starting to compress that washer now. So, yeah, that's gonna be enough. See, it's starting to deform there, so more than enough. And we'll get the new plug threaded in. Okay, and let's see if this holds water. So there's water going down the drain. And that's water not going down the drain. So that does it. It's about a $12 fix. If you can find a replacement, you know, lid only, maybe a better plumbing store selection might have it, or if you know the brand or something like that, there's a brand name on there, you might be able to figure it out. But I think the easiest way is just replace the whole kit. It's, you know, between $8 and $12. It's a 10-minute job. And you got it fixed. So that's it for this one. Thanks for joining me at Frank's DIY and Homeowner Help. If you like what you see, just hit a subscribe and maybe hit the bell there so I can give you notifications. I'll be doing more videos throughout the year. Have a good one.